Starting a YouTube channel can be exciting, but also challenging. Here are some tips for new YouTubers to help get you started. 1. Define your niche. Choose a topic that you're passionate about and have knowledge in. Having a clear focus will make it easier for you to create content and attract a loyal audience. 2. Plan your content. Creating a content calendar can help you stay organized and ensure that you're consistently uploading videos. 3. Invest in good equipment. While you don't need top-of-the-line equipment, having a decent camera, microphone, and lighting can greatly improve the quality of your videos. 4. Promote your channel. Share your videos on social media and interact with your audience to build a community. Collaborate with other YouTubers and participate in events to expand your reach. 5. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments and ask for feedback to foster a relationship with your viewers. This will not only help you grow your channel, but it will also make your audience feel valued. 6. Be consistent. Regularly uploading videos is key to growing your audience. Try to upload at least once a week, if not more. 7. Be patient. Growing a YouTube channel takes time and effort. Don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results, and keep working hard to improve your content and reach a wider audience. Remember, success on YouTube is not about getting famous overnight, but about creating a consistent and engaging content that your audience will love. Like, comment and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more video like this.